When I was a kid, I used to flip through magazines and imagine far-off adventures with wildlife. I always thought these places would be in distant lands, although in many ways, Canada is a far-off place in and of itself. Still, it didn't occur to me that I should start within my own backyard. I've seen the eagles before, one or two at a time. But during the hake run, there's hundreds all at once. Seals and sea lions fight for space. As the ultimate predators linger nearby. Whales have personalities and behaviors all on their own. The bears, you see their energy change with age. The juveniles are eager, clumsy, always moving. The older bears, they wait, they're patient, they're focused. This kind of experience really let me live out those childhood dreams I once had. Wondering what it might feel like to see it all and capture it myself. If this type of experience interests you, my partner Jenna and I have teamed up with Campbell River Whale Watching to host a Grizzly Bear Workshop this fall during the salmon run. This experience is safe, respectful, and truly one of a kind. We'll photograph grizzlies as they hunt, play, and interact in the wild, while helping sharpen your photography skills. And who knows what else we might see along the way.